Hello children, welcome to our online mathematics class. In our previous class, we are solving exercise 1.1 problems. Till 5th problem we have solved. The last problem is to identify the digit given in color and to write its place value, that we have seen in our last class. So, coming to our sixth problem in exercise 1.1 is to compare using greater than, less than or equal to symbol in the box and to tell which number is bigger and which number is smaller. For that, let us first read out the numbers and start comparing the numbers. So, what is the first number given here? The first number given here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digit number. So, it is a number starting with crores. So, it is 7 crores 87 lakhs 90,456. So, this is the first number given, and the second number is same. This is also 8 digit number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 digit number. So, it also starts with crores. 7 crores 78 lakhs 23,565 is the number. So, how do we compare? We compare numbers from our left hand side. So, what is the digit that is there in the first place from the left hand side? It is 7. So, it is starting with 7, that is 7 crores, and this number is also starting with 7. So, here both the numbers are equal. So, what we have to do? We have to move on to the second number. So, what is the second number here? 8. And what is the second number here? 7. So, which is bigger? Here the number is 7 crores and 87 lakhs. That means this is 8 and here it is 7, this 7, not the 7 in crores place. I am talking about the 7 in 10 lakhs place, that is this 7. So, here this is 7 and here it is 8. So, 8 is bigger than 7. So, obviously this number is bigger than this number. So, how do we write? 7 crores 87 lakhs 90,456 is greater than 7 crores 78 lakhs 23,565. So, this number is big number than this number. So, in this way he has given us another 3 examples to write down, to tell about which number is greater and which number is smaller. In the similar manner, compare the numbers from left hand side, that is from the highest place value, and decide whether which number is greater or smaller. Coming to the 7th question. So, 7th question, what is he telling? Make the smallest possible 7 digit number. What is he asking us? To make 7 digit number with the given numbers. So, what is he asking? He is asking us to make the smallest 7 digit number. Smallest 7 digit numbers, and by repeating the numbers. Why he is telling us to repeat the numbers? Because what are the numbers he has given here? 5, 8, 2, 1, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He has given us only 5 digits, but he is asking us to form a 7 digit number, and that too smallest 7 digit number with the given 5 numbers. So, that is the reason why he is asking us, why he is telling us to, you can repeat the numbers. Why? If we do not repeat the number, we cannot get 7 digit number. Yes or no? Because he has given us only 5 numbers. So, whenever children, do not be confused or do not be worried to how to write all the possible numbers and how to find out the smallest number. If you are given in any numbers and if you are asked to write the smallest number, the best and simple way is to write the numbers in the ascending order. Ascending order is nothing but from lowest to highest. If you arrange these numbers in ascending order, the number which we get is the smallest possible number with the given digits. But what he is telling us, he is asking us to form 7-digit number with the given 5 numbers. So, what we have to do? First of all, we have to find out what is the smallest digit in the given numbers. What is the smallest number in the given digits? 5, 8, 2, 7, 1. So, 1 is the smallest given digit. So, what is the smallest digit? 1. So, let us write 1. But what we have to do? We have to repeat, we have to get 7-digit number. So, what we can do? We can repeat the smallest number 2 more times. Why 2 more times? Because 5 plus 2 is 7-digit number. Here we have 5 digits already, but we want 7 digits. So, what we can do? Because we are writing the smallest number, we will repeat only the smallest number 2 more times. That is 1, 1, 1, and the next we are writing in ascending order. So, 2, 5, 7 and 8, and let us put the commas. So, what is it? What is the number we got? Smallest number that we got from the given digits is 11,12,578. You can check, Nana, you can check. You can try any other number using these digits, repeating any of the number as you wish, and check whether this number is the smallest number or not. In that way also you can try and find out whether this number is the smallest or if you can get any other number. But this will be the smallest possible number with the given digits. In the same way, here also, here he has given us 5 digits, but he is asking us to write 7 digits. So, what we will do? In the same manner, what is the smallest digit given here? 0. But do we start the numbers with 0? No, we do not start the numbers with 0. That number cannot be countable. So, what we will do? So, children, here also what is the smallest number? 0, but we do not write 0 in the first place because the number is not valid. So, what comes after 0 is 1. So, we write 1, and after that, after 1, what we have to write? We do not write 4, we have to write 0 because 0 is the smallest number, but we cannot place in the first place. So, we did not take. Now, we have to take 0. First write 0 once, and what we have to do? We have to repeat 0 2 times. Why? The given numbers are 5, but we want 7-digit numbers. So, 5 plus 2, 7. So, repeat 0 for 2 more times and write 4 and write 7 and write 9. So, now put the commas, and this is the smallest possible number with the given digits. What is the number? 10,479. This is the smallest possible number with the given digits. So, in this manner, next question is also of the same pattern. Question number 8. Make the smallest and greatest possible 8-digit numbers by repeating the digits. So, what he is asking? He is asking smallest and greatest. So, what we have to do? We have to write in ascending order for smallest number and descending order for the biggest number. So, he is asking us to write 8 digits, but he has given us only 7 digits. So, what we have to do? We have to repeat the smallest possible number 2 times, smallest given number 2 times for finding out the smallest number, and biggest number 2 times to form the biggest number. So, if it is confusing, I will do an example for you. So, this is 8th bit we are doing in the exercise to form biggest and smallest numbers with the given digits. So, what is the given digit here? 8th question, 3, 6, 1, 7, 8, 9, 2. So, these are the given digits with us for us. So, what he is asking? He is asking to find out the possible 8-digit number, smallest and biggest. So, for smallest what I said, we have to write ascending order. So, writing in ascending order. So, what is the smallest number here? 1. But how many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are there, we have to write 8. So, what we will do? We will repeat 8 once again. 1, 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, 1 crore 12 lakhs 36,789 is the smallest possible number with the given digits, and that too it is an 8-digit number. So, next biggest number. How do we write the biggest number? What is, we write it in the descending order. Descending order is from highest to lowest. So, what is the biggest number? 9. So, what we have to do? We have to repeat 2 times. Why? We have to form 8 digits, but given are only 7. So, to form the biggest number, we will repeat 9 once again, and 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, 1. So, 9 crores 98 lakhs 76,321 will be the biggest possible number with the given digits. In the same manner, he has given us one more example. You can do that example. In the example B, he has given us 0. So, make sure that you do not start a number with 0 because it is not valid. Always take the 0 in second place, do not place it in the first place. So, then next one is write the number before. So, we have learnt in our previous class, what we have learned, if you want to find out before number of any given number, what we have to do? We have to simply do a simple subtraction, do minus 1, do minus 1 for the given number. If you subtract 1 from the given number, you will get the before number. So, this is very easy, Nana, simple subtraction you have to do. It will be very easy for you. And question number 10, write the after number. So, after number how you will do? You have to add 1 to the given number and you will get after number. So, in this question also he has given us 4 bits. Those are very simple, just add plus 1 in the ones place, that is on the right side of the given number. So, with this exercise, with this bit we have completed this exercise. The remaining topics, that is international number system, we will see in our next class. Until then, thank you all.